Good day, everyone. This is Patrick from EasyFX Code Training System, and this is Thursday, the 8th of August 2019, and about 11 a.m. in Singapore. And this is the Thursday review for the balance of a couple of days for the week. And let's start with the spot goal first, because is the daily chart, and on Tuesday I was highlighting that it could take a couple of weeks to reach this pivot at the weekly R3 level at 1508, but actually it only took 2 days. That was a very sharp move, and it hit this key resistance zone fairly quickly due to the trade tensions between the US and China. And this was a fairly quick move up to this resistance zone. Now there could be some consolidation before any further moves, and the next possible target it may be only next week, as there's only one more day tomorrow for the week, and that's up to the 200 pip area at 1533. All right. Let's take a look at the weekly chart and the monthly chart to see where that will bring us to. And yes, that's close to the previous swing lows of 2011 and 2012. So that will be in the 1530 region. Okay, so now moving on to the euro. Euro has been consolidating after a bullish start on Monday, and it has been struggling to climb up higher above the daily 55 EMA, and it's being blocked by this resistance zone between the 62 Fibonacci level and the weekly R2 level. So it could be consolidating till the end of the week as well. And let's mark this zone up here for now. There is this support level now, and this will be the interim resistance. It's just a small narrow range of 44 pips. Okay, moving on to the cable. Cable has also been struggling to find support at the bottom here, and it's still struggling to get above the weekly pivot. Let's mark this area here, and with support from the 121 level. So there hasn't been any major breakthrough in the political side as well as the Brexit renegotiations. Let's move on to the Aussie. Aussie had a pretty dramatic swing over the last couple of days, with the RBA leaving rates unchanged and not making any dovish tones or outlook for any future rate hikes. However, on uh, Wednesday, the RBNZ made a surprise 0.5 basis points rate cut, and this also pulled the Aussie lower as well along with it. So the Kiwi and the Aussie fell, but then just as quickly it recovered from the weekly S2 support level and the 162 Fibonacci extension area, and it quickly pulled back up to form a doji with a long lower leg and climb back up above 0.68 level. Right, it may consolidate between these zones now, and we'll see what the monetary policy statement is when it's released tomorrow. And I doubt there'll be any major changes, since they did not highlight any or signal any future rate cuts. Right, moving on to the dollar yen. Dollar yen has been struggling to find support just below the 106 level at the weekly S1 pivot, and it has recovered above 106, and it's still trying to find strong support so that it can try to retest the previous swing low, and now a key resistance area at 106.77. Alright, so the euro, cable, and the yen are all consolidating, while the Aussie is trying to recover and perhaps consolidate as well till tomorrow, the end of the week. Alright, we'll follow up this weekend for a new weekly outlook, and have a good trading week for the rest of the week, and cheers.